Hello and welcome to Flotats. In today's video, we're gonna be making this interesting text effect animation that I saw on one of this guy work on Behance. He's called Thethe Erlich, and he have this interesting animation on his text that I admire. So I thought I have to do a tutorial on it to share some knowledge with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we're gonna create our text. Let's just add a character here. Let's put it in the middle and scale it up to 1750 so we can see it. Then you can go to your effects and presets and search for wave warp. Apply that effect on your text. Change the scene to smoothen, this one. Change the wave height to 20, and change the wave width to 80. And what that does is just like twisting the character we have. Then we are gonna change the direction to 0, so it only goes horizontally. Then we're gonna duplicate this text, and we're gonna change the wave height to -20, so it's the opposite direction of the first one. I'm gonna change the color of this to red. And there you have it. And to make this more usable, you can parent the text source of this text to the first one by parenting the source text like this. So once you change this character, it's gonna be following it. Like, let's change the character to G. See? You can change also the text to the stroke, so you have strokes instead of fill. And you can play with the settings as much as you want. That's it for this tutorial. Make sure to follow this guy on social media. He has some interesting effects on his text, and I see you in the next one.